Hello lovelies, this is Elisa. Welcome to Elisa's Creations. In my channel I show content about paper crafting, planning, junk journalism and DIYs. So today I'm going to show you a planner setup of this little one. This is an amazing planner that I've won in a giveaway done from Oki Plans. I've actually got a flip through of this planner in my channel. I'm gonna actually link it down below if you're interested in seeing it. It's such a lovely planner. It's so cute. It's the pocket size Moterm and is super soft. It's like baby skin. I can't stop squishing it. And it's really small. It's actually stay in the palm of my hand. And it's super cute. Thank you so much, Oki, again for giving me this amazing gift. So today I'm going to show you the setup of this planner. This is perfect to go in your handbag. You just, put it down like this. It's amazing. It fits everywhere. It's super cute. This planner for me is gonna be for my joy planner because most of the time I don't schedule joy in my planner. Last year, all my planning was about to do for work, for other things. And this planner planned everything I would like to do, daily trips, things I would like to do in London. There's so much to do in London that I haven't done yet, even though I've been here forever. So that's everything I come across. I go to different sites. Oh yeah, I would like to do this. Let's put it in my planner so I don't forget. So that's how I use my planner. I've set this up with the goodies that Oki Plans kindly send it to me with the giveaways and different goodies from my stash in different shop. So let's dig in. I'm gonna show you what's inside this little one. So here I've put some fussy cuts. There's a gorgeous rose. There's also a makeup bag with these lovely makeup brushes. This was from Oki's Glamour collection. And look at this. So pretty. I've left these fussy cuts here because they look so pretty. I might just use I'm gonna use them throughout my planner for decorations. There's a pocket here where I put all these fussy cuts as well from Oki. This was from a different collection. I think it was something called the 90s or something like that I purchased last year. And look at this. It's small, but it has this pocket. I've already used these stickers, but these are some stickers that are from Oki as well. So look how pretty these lips are. So cute. And some roses and some makeup. Basically, I've almost finished them, so I need to restock myself. So this is the front cover. Here we turn it. This one, I'm not gonna turn it because I've written my personal information just in case. Hopefully not. I lose my planner. They know where to contact me. This is from Oki. This was a paper clip for my stash. This is a lovely little Sophia. I've glued down this lovely sticker that I had from Oki. This is a lovely flower dashboard. I love how the next one is gonna peek through. This is a vellum one. Look how pretty this is. Such a good quality as well. It's another flower dashboard. That's a pocket. I've left it empty for now. And that's another pocket, and that's a lovely dashboard with a bow. This one, I've created a journaling card. I had this packaging from one of the thousands purchases I've made last year. And I fussy cut this one from Oki. I glued it down. So there's gonna be a journaling card. I left it white at the back. This is such a lovely vellum dashboard. And this one is one of those bows ones with the tag, with the tab, sorry. It's so pretty. I love it because you're obviously gonna see what's next. These are some sticky notes I had purchased from Primark. I cut it down to size to fit in here and punched it. So this one was a sticker from another UK shop. I've decided to put these lovely ladies that was from a different shop as well. I cut this, I think was a journaling card down to size because I thought it really was going well with this volume dashboard from Aki, and I think it looks really cool. I put a butterfly that I had from my stash. This, I bought it from, I think was from Hobbycraft, a shop in the UK. So I think these one are actually for cards decoration if you are into making cards. But I've decided to use it as decoration for my planner. So basically I made a decorative, you can use this one for sticky notes as well, dashboard. And I've actually, they already come with foam tape, so I actually stuck them down like this, and I've done the same at the back. Because this one, I didn't have anything to back it with of the same size, because I didn't like everything showing, you know, that it's gonna show like this. So I was like, because I had spare ones, I was like, let's cover it up. And this one, poor thing, it's on its arm, so I'm gonna find something to stick it there. Probably something that I find. So this is another lovely dashboard. There's a lot of decorative part before going actually to the actually planning thing. I love having lots of decorative things in my planner. So this is the pocket. I had this fussy cut from Aki from a previous purchase that I put in there. This is a lovely bow vellum dashboard. So is this one, another one. So this one is a self-love card that I had from my stash, because planning for joy is self-love as well. So it's a reminder for me. Sometimes I completely forget to do self-love. I'm actually setting up a self-care planner for myself because Elisa has been naughty last year, not doing self-care much as she should have done. And this one was from a cherry blossom stationery kit from AliExpress. I cut it down to size and I turn into note card. So this is another pocket. Here I put down Sophia. That was a fussy cut. I love this one. Girls just want to have fun. I love it. And I think this one was perfect for me because this is my joy planner where I plan my travels as well. So it's perfect. And here there's another dashboard pocket. This one was a journaling card from Simply Gilded. I thought it was perfect for this. It was from her traveling sub box. So wander often, wander always. And at the back I've actually put my budget for my daily trip that I do once a month. I've got budget for it. Sometimes I go over, as I always do, but I've been good. I need to leave space for my macarons when I go to Paris. I bought these lovely, I will show you sometimes. I bought these lovely boxes of macarons that La Jure, this famous pastry shop in France, do, and oh my god, they are to die for. So I'm gonna go again and buy some more for sure. So make sure if you go to Paris you actually have some funds for macarons. So I'm gonna cover this up because it's actually for my budget. This is a dashboard from Aki that says money can buy happiness, but it can sure buy planner stuff. Absolutely true. And I put this lovely paperclip bow from a shop in the UK. This was a die cut from Aki and I glue it down. And here we go. Now we are actually talking about my planning. So I do loads of daily trips with the Eurostar. I can see different countries and I've put some washing here, some decorative with some sticky notes, and I wrote where I would like to go. And I've done these lovely setups with washi from Simply Gilded. And I wrote down where I would like to go for my daily trips, and here what I would like to do in London. Unfortunately, this one is no longer taking place. It's my chocolate making class at the Chocolate Museum in Brixton. They are not doing that anymore, so I need to find a substitute because I bake a lot at the moment. I just bake healthy snacks because I'm on diet, but I'm a chocolate lover. I eat chocolate every day, even though I'm on a diet. Shh, don't tell anyone. But I'm a baker. I love to bake. I make chocolate slabs. Now I'm craving it, but I wanted to go to chocolate classes. They were offering it, but they are no longer doing it. Peggy Potion, Chelsea. Peggy Potion is my favorite cafe in London. Is all pink. I'm sure you've heard of it. They have two, one in Chelsea, one in Victoria. I always go with a friend of mine who's a planner pink lover like me. Hello, Lizzie. And yeah, we're going that often, so that's done. Different things I would like to do, like sleep overnight at the National History Museum, Tate Britain, different places like Elizabeth Plant. Oh gosh, I have to go to lots of places. I need to hurry up. Chelsea Flower Market, unfortunately, I can't go this year. I actually tried to book the tickets. No, too expensive. So it was like next year that you're gonna go to the next year planner. Cahoots, so different sorts of things to do in London. So super excited about having booked my trip to Brussels, which is already done. Brussels is amazing. It's chocolate city. I'm a chocolate lover. If you love chocolate, go to Brussels. I ate a lot of chocolate that day. So here I wrote down things that I've done. I went to puppy yoga in March. I loved it. I was squishing the puppy. Didn't do any yoga, just squishing the puppies. Was amazing. Oh, I actually had a puppy that came to me and he actually stayed in my hands. I was just caressing him like this all day. He actually fell asleep. Oh my God, it was so cute. This is another paper clip that I purchased from UK shop. And there it is for now. I'm gonna have to write down a few things that I've booked. I've got all my flights details for Edinburgh. I'm actually going to Edinburgh for 1 day by plane from London Gatwick. I know it's crazy. I do crazy stuff. So, oh my God, it's gonna be so tiring. I've already been to Edinburgh before, but because there was this deal for the ticket, a friend of mine said to me, let's go. So I was like, okay, let's go. So here I've got different paper that came with the planner. I've got other fussy cats that I put in here for decoration. I'm gonna use it throughout my planner. I love this lipstick one, my favorite. I've got a perfect pink gel pen from Aki. It writes so well. I love this pen. It writes black. I absolutely love it. So, and that's all for my lovely joy planner. This is how I'm gonna use it, how I've set it up, and this is the way I'm gonna plan. It's not something I plan daily. I try to plan every weekend, at the weekend. So basically every weekend, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to sit down with this lovely planner and plan things that I would like to do this year. I always see lots of things going on. I'm trying to write down everything in my commonplace book that I carry with me on my bag. I write things randomly, and after I put it in this planner. I'm a planner freak, I'm a journal freak, I'm a stationery freak. I keep I've set up all my planners for this year because some of them I've purchased, most of them I'm actually making them, and I haven't finished yet, and it's almost May, so I need to hurry up. But I keep like 9 or 10 planners, different junk journals, different journals. So I've not finished yet. So I think by the time I finish, will be already 2024. Oh well, I will use them in 2024. Because of the full-time job, sometimes I don't have the time to sit down and craft, but I'm gonna find the time to do it. So that's it. That was my lovely joy planner and how I've set it up. We can do some plan with me in this planner together if you'd like to see it. But this is how I set up this little one. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy. It makes me happy just to look at it. That's why planner should actually evoke you, happiness and joy. So don't forget to plan for joy. Consider subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more planning, junk journaling content and DIY paper crafting. I will see you soon and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.